How to download Netflix films on a computer or laptop. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is Harobos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download Netflix films on both camera and a laptop. Both computer or laptop. Let's go to our Google Chrome. Let's go to download Netflix movies for free. Download that one, and then let's go to free Netflix downloaders. Here, as you can see, you can free grab app right here. This is the step. So go to this one, click on this video, click the video right here, just copy paste the movie that you want. So 3 simple steps to start. So first, copy a link from your browser, click paste or button in the app, then click download. So here, let's go to Netflix. By the way guys, this is just for tutorial purposes only. We don't have a plan on Netflix yet, but here, this is the Netflix app, or you can just download your shows right here if you want to. So just click on download. If you log into your Netflix account, you can download it directly here. Also, you can use this app right here, free grab app, to download the Netflix for your computer. So log into your account, copy the URL, select video quality right there like this one, click on this, and now you have downloaded the movie. So copy that, go to paste right there. So let's go and try this one. Click on download, free Netflix download, save that to your computer. And this 3 simple step, you can download any Netflix movies, but first you have an account to Netflix, and then download to computer and stream it offline or without internet connection once you've downloaded this one. So this app also has a feature that low control function, pause, stop and resume, getting videos in high quality, download with audio description for people with blindness, download subtitles also, and get all episodes bypassing a link to TV series page. Just download the APK file, and downloaded, click the file to begin installing the program, open the app on your PC, and copy paste the link to URL, and you are all good to go. And that's it for our tutorial on how to download Netflix films or movie on both computer and a laptop. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to download your favorite movies and TV shows from Netflix and watch them offline whenever you want. We hope you find this tutorial on how easily you can download movies and films on your laptop or computer from Netflix. And if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please guys feel free to leave the comments down below. And thanks for watching. As always, we will see you on the next video.